Hi guys, and to show here in this video, you can see here concrete returning wall. They started to do paving work to build the road. You can see surveying stake, and here they put layers of the sub-base class A, grade D. So you can see road work. I uploaded some videos about this project. You can see they are keep continuous with mason work over there for elevator. You can see scaffold, and here started to put down the sub base for the road class A grade D. So when we got rain, there will be no mud, and soon they will start here to do the wood stud framing. The exterior will be 2x6. Here you can see the mason work. Okay, and they mark here the location for the bond beam. That's solid. You can see white and red paint, and you can see the expansion joint run stop before the bond beam. So that's everywhere. Same thing over here. You know, they mark it because there will be metal stud framing, and there will be steel structure attached to the block to support the walls and building. You can see here the paving equipment and surveying stake. Tell them where to put the sub base and the elevation. You can see island and radius. Same thing here, island and radius. Always it will be 5-foot radius for concrete curb. Okay guys, so here you can see concrete slab, plumbing work, electrical conduit. Here I need to show you the block mason work. You can see here catch basin, they protected. And here turned down. You can see joint. Okay, so that's the entrance slope. So you can see it's a slope out. So when it will get rain will go out. And that's the choke line. The layout for the framing. You can see 2x6 exterior, 2x4 interior. Choke line. They did choke line. Okay. You can see the layout. So you can see here 12 inches all walls, 12 foot. Okay, and there is a green dot everywhere. Green dot. So here that will be stud here, like stud. Okay, and here the layout for the door. Okay, you can see, and then they spray it after they did chalk more. They spray it with the clear to keep it. So when we got rain, that will stay. You can see. Okay, they did the layout. You can see plumbing here, and that's good. You can see the plumbing pipe on the wall. Okay, and here's those on the wall inside. Here, this one close. They need to adjust this one. Same thing here. So that's wide. Yeah, the layout is important. So here you can see control joint and that bond beam, 1 2 3 bond beam, and then control joint and another 1 2 3 bond beam. So those are three pour solid, because there's a structural steel come this way, okay, and then turn. So same thing over there. So you can see here control joint, expansion joint, and then 1 2 3 bond beam solid, expansion joint, 1 2 3 pour solid. Okay, here bond beam above door opening, you can see that pour solid. Okay, here again more layout, and that is the elevator pit. So here will be a pit ladder, here will be some pump, okay, and that's the bracket. You can see the bracket here. You have 1 and 2, you have 1 and 2, same thing at the top, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The location and elevation for those metal bracket for elevator, so important. So you make sure put it using laser. So location and elevation, because here that will be attached to the elevator, so that is most important. And here you can see no need to do joint for block. So you can see how they cut, and they didn't lay block for elevator. So later the elevator company, then it was still the metal door frame for elevator, and then the mason guy, he will come and build around it and above. Here you can see that's precast bond beam here. Same thing over there, precast bond beam, so that's good. You can see that's concrete precast. It is not like block board. You can do block work and bond beam and put two rebar and pour solid, but this is give you nice finish, and you just need to put it on place. That's good work. You can see precast bond beam. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, we'll upload more videos. Thank you guys, bye.